Track 32.
From Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. Charlie and his family.
Charlie Bucket was a young boy who lived with all his family, 6 grown-ups, in a small wooden house on the edge of a great town. The house wasn't nearly large enough for so many people, and life was extremely uncomfortable for them all. Mr. Bucket was the only person in the family with a job. He worked in a toothpaste factory, where he sat all day long at a bench and screwed the little caps onto the tops of the tubes of toothpaste after the tubes had been filled. But a toothpaste cap screwer is never paid much, so there wasn't even enough money to buy proper food for them all. The only meals they could afford were bread and margarine for breakfast, boiled potatoes and cabbage for lunch, and cabbage soup for supper. And the one thing Charlie longed for more than anything was chocolate. Even worse, in the town where Charlie lived, there was an enormous chocolate factory. In fact, it was the largest and most famous in the world. One day, it so happened that Willy Wonka, who owned the factory, announced that he would invite the 5 lucky children who found the golden tickets hidden underneath the wrapping of his chocolate bars to visit his factory. Not only that, but they would all receive a gift of sweets and chocolate to last a lifetime. Well, of the 5 children who won, Augustus Gloop was one, and, believe it or not, Charlie was another.